You're very like your father. Except for the eyes, of course. You have your mother's eyes. Yeah.
You know, the very first time I saw you, Harry, I recognized you immediately. Not by your scar, by your eyes. By your mother, Lily's.
You look so like your father.
Except your eye.
You have my mother's eyes.
You have your mother's eyes.
Но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам бегал так упрямо. И если бы не твой милый голосок, я бы упал, сделав последний вздох.